we all use apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, right? And we access them using a browser. Most of us use Microsoft Edge or the most popular browser of all time, Chrome. Look, talking about Chrome, it's a great browser, but can it be better? Or as this browser company markets it.
Look, Chrome was great in 2008, but it's 2020. Join the 19 million people already using Brave.
Now, in no way am I supporting what they say or saying what they say is right. Chrome is, was, and hopefully will be a great browser to use. Coming back to the point, can it be better, or how can it be better? This browser, Brave, says they have made it better. They literally say directly to Google that was a browser from the 1900s.
2008, but
That's really weird because their own browser, Brave, looks like a reskinned version of Chrome. The extensions are taken from the Google store, just like Chrome's, and the content searching speed is partly the same. Even the little features like the QR code making of website is the same. The point I'm trying to make here is that what they have probably done is created a browser that is basically Chrome, just better in areas in which they thought they could the Chrome browser could be pushed, like the privacy. they market on the privacy more than Apple does. Like the fact you can watch ad-free YouTube videos without YouTube Premium. Also, if the trackers they have blocked, that the number shown on their homepage, if it's real, that's insane. For example, I use Safari as my default browser. It has only blocked about 130 trackers this week. I think they have created a browser that is meant to take Chrome users and put them in their circle. All that said, should you leave your browser for Brave? Well, I think you can. If you're on a Windows machine, what are you waiting for? Brave is a great browser with the same searching speed as Chrome, and it's just better. But if you're on a Mac, it's kind of up to you. I can say that Brave delivers what it says, like no YouTube ads, that's cool. But if you use Safari, I would suggest that stick to it. Yes, Brave is faster. Yes, it blocks YouTube ads. And yes, it might be the next big browser. But this does not change the fact that Safari is insanely optimized for your Mac. So yeah, before I close, I just want to say Brave has glitches. Like this one. You literally have to click the tab key on your keyboard to edit or save. And you cannot put any high resolution backgrounds. It does not work. And yes, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching. Yep, see you in the next video.